Hi, good morning, and welcome to your oracle reading for the day. And this is Shilpa Menon, and today is 10th September. So, what have I chosen today? I have chosen this beautiful deck by Kyle Gray, which is again a Hay House product. Keepers of the Light Oracle cards. I wanted to try and see because somebody had asked me if I can flip the cards while I'm doing the reading. So, I'm going to try that today. I don't know how well it works, but I'm going to give it a try. Okay, which way I think I'll do it in the end. So, Keepers of the Light deck, and I've asked the Keepers of the Light, what would you like to tell us today? What energies do we need to invoke for today? And let's see what comes just for today. So this is how the back cover of the card looks like. Very beautiful turquoise color. There's lovely golden wings and two circles, and there is a sacred geometry done over here. I have a lovely connection with the sacred geometry. I think in India, our Hindu tradition, also a lot of us talk a lot about Sri Yantras, which has its own powerful mandalas and invocation, and how it really creates certain power spots, power energies if you make right set of prayers along with it. So good to see some of you online, some familiar names, some not so familiar names, but welcome. Hi. So let me ask the Keepers of the Light, what would you like to tell us today, right? And beautiful again, very lovely card, very lovely goddess. Her name is Dinah, and Dinah is the Roman moon goddess, okay, of the hunt. It's very lovely. Have a look at the card. In the end, I'm going to try and see if I can flip the camera to show you the card in the direct image versus the mirror image. Thank you so much, Jenny. Even I quite like the background. So what is Dinah telling us today? Like I said, she's a Roman moon goddess. You can see there is a crescent. Somehow it reminds me of Shiva as well. Because we are so used to seeing Shiva with the crescent moon on the top. We are also nearing full moon in a couple of days. I think it's 17th of September, a week from now. Today's 10th. Dinah is saying that think about, just for today, think about what you desire. Okay? Which also means do not think about what you do not want to happen today. Because a lot of times, if you ask someone, what is it that you want? A reply would be, I don't want this, I don't want A, B, C, D, E. Indirectly, we are giving the energy of what you don't want. So just for today, focus on what is it that you want and that you desire. Set your sights higher, okay, and expect the best possible outcome. If you look at Dinah, there is a bow and arrow she's carrying. She's of course known to be found in the forest, more so in the midnight. And when Dinah comes out, because she's a moon goddess of the hunt, as we all know, when you go out hunting for anything, you need a lot of silence. You need to tread on it very mindfully. You need to navigate your path literally with your intuitions and your senses. And fourth, when you're hunting, you need sharp focus. So if I had to literally convert this into my today's practice, I need to remain, or at least find little time to be in silence. I need to navigate a little bit in my own inner dimension, my own inner space. Ask, what is it that I want? What is it that I want to hunt? What are my desires? Can you hear me any better now? I'm sorry, my voice is a little low today because my ears also impacted. But are you able to hear me now? So I go back to the 4 steps. First step is go ahead and find your silence. Navigate your inner map. Third is ask what is it that you truly desire. And then, when we take a bow and arrow, we are literally focusing on what we want. Sit down, visualize, affirm what is it that you truly want. And then let your angels and guides and the universe take care of it for you or give you the signs back. So yes, that is the message for today. Follow the 4-step process that I just created, and that's what the Dinah is asking you, who is the Roman moon goddess of the hunt and comes much more closely during the full moon is that have focused intention today. So whatever you are intending today, please keep yourself, and also just because you have an intention does not mean that you go ahead and set your intentions low. Set high intentions. You're out there for hunting. You're not going to just hunt something small. You're going to hunt something that is meaningful, purposeful, soul satiating. So yes, set your goals higher and have focused intention today. Like I mentioned, I'm going to try something new and different today, which is I'm going to see that while I'm on the live, can I flip the camera to show you the card without the mirror image. I'm trying, so bear with me and tell me if it is possible, okay? Can you see the card? And I am able to flip the card while I'm live. Great. Pardon the background. I was going to experiment today. But this is how Dinah looks like. And I'm so grateful to my friend who actually asked me to do this. Right? So, yeah. And now again, I'm going to flip the camera. Sorry for the background, but I was just trying this today. Yay, I could flip the camera both ways while being on live. So yay, that's something again new I experimented. I was thinking that I hope I can do that. And I'm going to thank my dear friend and neighbor who's asked me to do this. Yay, yippee dibby do. So with this, I'm signing off. Shilpa Menon. Have focus intention and do your best. Follow the 4 steps process. Alright? Goodbye. Shab Bakhair. Uh-oh.